What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. Happy Friday. How y'all doing? What y'all doing? How y'all been, boo? I'm doing excellent today. You know why? I'm off this weekend and I'm gonna have me a good, relaxing time. Trust that. Today, guys, we have my favorite subscription, LashyBox. I just got it in the mail Monday, I think. Yes, Monday. And yeah, I'm excited to see what we got in this month's box. So if you guys want to see what's in January's box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're a regular lash wearer or nah. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys. I want to say a big, huge congratulations to all of my giveaway winners. I will try to have your packages out no later than next week. Hopefully, guys. Congratulations, guys. Before we even get started, I want to say a big shout out to my 5 commenters, first commenters from Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much. You know, I'm going to put your name across the screen right here. Thank you for being my first 5 commenters, guys. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget, while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Be a part of this bomb-ass unboxing crew, you know. Yes. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so, because as you all know, that's where I did the live video picking the giveaway winners. So yes, all of those links are down below. Now we're going to get to the good part. LashyBox. Y'all know this was my #1 box of 2019, and I'm hoping that they keep with the trend of being my favorite, right? So let's get into the specs of this box. We're going to unbox her and we're going to be done, boo. For you guys that do not know, a LashyBox is a $13.99 per month lash and beauty subscription. You get 3 to 4 lashes each month, some makeup tools and items, makeup, like beauty products, all kind of stuff they incorporate into this box. And it's supposed to have a value in between $50 to $80. LashyBox does not come with a card. And for the most part, I try to find the products and the prices and put them below. But if I can't, guys, just it's okay. It doesn't matter. I still love the box, right? Yes. If you want to subscribe to LashyBox, I do have a link down below. Go ahead on and click it. Look around, subscribe if you want to. If not, you can just watch me unbox them every month, because this is my favorite, guys. And just so that you know, LashyBox also has a dramatic lash box and a mini box and a soft glam box. All of the prices will be in the link so that you guys can see. And yeah, boo, let's get on into this unboxing because I'm ready. And as y'all can see, I'm talking fast because I'm anxious. So LashyBox comes like this every month. Cute little pink box with LashyBox on the front and a little wink for that ass. Let's open her up. Ooh, oh, she is super packed, boo. I'm looking and I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Let's go on and pull out some items. Right on top. Oh, it's starting early. I'm dropping stuff. Okay, right up top, guys, we have this collaboration from LashyBox and Jackie Love. And this is an eyelash tweezer here. I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame because my other video wasn't. Yes, and it is a beautiful greenish turquoise, however you say it, color. It's gorgeous. Open it and it has these little alligator things on it to line your lashes up and put them on. I have a pink one like this. I rarely use these, but I think I'm gonna start. If not, I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys. This is our first little makeup tool right there, guys. Up next, we got the lashes. First up on top, I see from LashyBox these 3D silk lashes in the style Cake. These are what they look like, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. They are very natural looking, but very, very wispy. They will make a really nice, natural, flowy eye look. I really like these, guys. These are very pretty. We're starting off to a good start. Next up, we have from LashyBox these lashes in the style Sprinkles, which are more of my style, guys. These are a little more dramatic, a little longer, a little more, you know, drama-filled like I am. They look like they're all the same length straight across. So I really do like these lashes, guys. These are very pretty, very pretty. I know I'm moving fast, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to go work out, so I have to kind of rush up a little bit because I'm pressed for time. Up next, we have from Jackie Love, and I could tell you these are going to be my favorites. These are the Jackie Love Faux Mink Lashes in the style Maddie 2.0. And this is what they look like, guys, in the package. I'm going to take them out so that you guys can see. Ooh, okay. And this is what they look like outside of the package. Very full, very dramatic, but still sexy. And I think that these even go more on the, I don't know. And I don't want to say too dramatic because I don't think they're super dramatic, but they are very pretty and they are TonyaNicole styled lashes. I love these. These Maddie 2.0s are going to be, you can see, one of my favorites. Oh, yeah. Next up, we got from Jackie Love another pair of the faux mink lashes, and this is in the style Capricorn. And this is what they look like, guys. It looks like this one came loose on the end, so when I take it out, I'll fix it. The packaging is so adorable. It's giving me real Mardi Gras vibes, huh? Yeah, boo. Y'all know it's getting close. They got king cakes out already. Oh, I think that might be what I might do for one of my giveaways during the Mardi Gras season. Send a lucky winner a king cake from New Orleans. I think that's what I might do. That sounds like a good plan. Let me know down below what y'all think. And these are what the Capricorn lashes look like. They are gorgeous, guys. Look at that. I'm going to have to check Jackie Love's site out and get me some of her lashes because they are gorgeous. And we have one more item, guys. We do have a glue it's kind of stuck to my box. We do have an eyelash glue. But last but not least, we have a palette. And girl, boys, it's the Kaz Cosmetics 4-color eyeshadow quad in Crescent Moon. If y'all remember, I got this in the box by Fashionista box. And I hope that shade isn't broken. Let's see. Oh, okay. It does come with the mirror. Hey, girl. These are what these shadows look like. They are gorgeous, guys. In my, what video did I do? Glow Addict box, I was wearing this shade here. And today I'm wearing this shade. Let me grab my old one so I can show you guys what it looks like. This one is going in a giveaway for you guys. And y'all know it retail for like $45 or something. Okay. Okay, here is mine, guys, that I got out of the box. Look, it's just a hot mess. If again, that's it. I'm retiring that color. But this one is the one I have on today, guys. And this one is the one that I wore in my Glow Addict box. The nice shimmery Calypso one. Oh, they're so pretty and they look so nice. And today I'm wearing this palette and I love it. Other shade I think is like totally ruined. But this one will be going to give away to you guys. So guys, that was the final product in our LashyBox for this month. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate it, and we'll be done. So we received this 4 eyeshadow quad here from Kaz Cosmetics. We received 2 pairs of lashes from Jackie Love, one in the style Maddie 2.0, one in Capricorn. We also received 2 pairs from LashyBox, one in the style Cake and the other one in Sprinkles. And we received this eyelash tool here. So that is 6 products for this month, guys. Final thoughts. So final thoughts, y'all know LashyBox is like one of my top boxes and it did not disappoint this month. All of these lashes I could wear. I will try the eyelash tool. I'll be putting this in a giveaway to you guys since I already have it. And I'm telling you guys, this palette is pretty nice. It really, really, really complements your eye look. I love this palette. I'm just sad that it's broken and I'm sad that it's retail for $45 because I don't think it's worth $45, but it's a beautiful palette. I mean, y'all, I think this box was the bomb.com. I really do. I can get use out of everything in this box and it's only $13.99. But come on, what y'all want? I mean, that is amazing, right? Yes. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, go into the damn trees. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? Boo, LashyBox, y'all know it's no questions asked. This box is a 5 for the month for me. They're starting off the new year right, and I love the box. I love that I can use everything in the box, and it is a winner chicken dinner. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed already, do so now, please, and thank you. Follow me on Instagram because I will be doing some giveaways on Instagram as well. What else I want to tell you guys? Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I enjoyed talking to you guys in the comments, and we will be seeing each other more in the comments, right? I want to see new faces in the comments, right? Absolutely. Yes. Yes. So guys, that is all that I have for LashyBox for this month. I'm now looking forward to next month's box already. I know, so weird, huh? So guys, do not forget that I do shout out my 5 first commenters of each video, and I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, guys. So until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.